So, guys, this is the highlight on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial today. Today, May 22nd, 2027, the leader of IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, arrives at the Federal High Court, Abuja. That is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu versus the Federal Government of Nigeria. Then court comments. The Prosecution Counsel, Amowolo, introduces his team of lawyers and the continuation of cross-examination of the second witness. The So the judge said, I granted accelerated hearing and it has been 3 months already. This is not accelerated hearing. Okay, I put this case on accelerated hearing and I have my reasons. I want this case closed as soon as possible. The defendant has been in detention for a long time. Soon the court will vacate and the defendant will still be in detention. I give 6 days for you to call all your witnesses, whether they are 500 or more. Work with this time frame as you are enjoying your vacation. So remember, someone is still in detention away from his family. Okay, that was what the judge, Justice James Omotosho, told them. So cross-examination of witness number 2 uh, was called in. When he was being examined, these questions was asked. Has the defendant's international passport been in your custody? The witness answered, I don't know. Has the defendant traveled abroad? The witness answered, he told me he has been to many countries. Was the broadcast you presented made in Nigeria? The witness answered, I don't know. In the name Biafra persecuted, the witness, I don't know, but I know IPOB is persecuted. So, my people, this continues. A letter of complainant from the AGF 6 to 5 years ago. Did you obtain a statement from the defendant, the witness? I did not get any statement. I did not see any. Do you have report of the investigation, witness? Yes. May we see it? The witness, I don't have it. The government has that. It has that, okay? You don't call the defendant investigation of statement, yet you are a witness. Witness, the investigation is immaterial. Did you make any video of other person in line with this? The witness, I made an investigation with some people. Okay, where is your report, witness? I don't have it. Did you see anyone carrying arms in the video you presented, witness? I don't know. Arms can be concealed. Did you identify anyone, witness? I identified ESN. How did you know? Did you confirm the identity, witness? No. So this is all what that happened in court today. Did you remember NSA's protest? Witness said yes. What was it all about? Witness did not get this response. The document, the Lagos State Panel of Inquiry, has been submitted by the defense team and marked as an exhibit. So the witness, I have in Abuja 3. There is no seat at home there. If I lived in the east, I will still come out on Monday. Like, sit at home. Witness, like, the witness got confused. Do you have any proof of anything the defendant has said that is happening? The witness now said, like what? Okay, so now hear that one. He said, like what? Are you aware that the document did not indict IPOB? I am not aware. How long has the defendant been in your custody, witness? I met him in June. I don't know how long he has been there. After receiving a letter from the AGF, Did you reply to him? The witness, I did not reply directly to the AGF. Are you aware that no report was made to the AGF? The witness, I am not aware. Do you have any recordings of people who said the defendant asked them to do something bad? Witness, I don't have. Other witnesses will bring it. Before IPOB was prosecuted, it wasn't an illegal organization. Witness, yes, my lord. Do you know the numbers are, the members are not criminals? Witness, if they don't do anything bad, you said you always uh, aching investigation. Witness, yes, my lord. So, why did you make an investigation of IPOB members? Do you know the evildoers? Witness, I don't. So, I don't do any investigation. Do you agree it is the duty of the government to provide security for the people? Witness, yes, my lord. Has the government done that? The witness, yes, to the best of my ability. Do you have any proof of anything the defendant has said that is happening? The witness, like what? Like sit at home? Witness, I live in Abuja. There is no sit at home here. If I lived in Southeast, I would still come out on Monday. So you see how the whole thing is being complicated. They are complicating themselves. In fact, I can't just go on and on and on and on because you yourself, you go get tired. You go get tired. How can you come to testify against somebody and you don't have the knowledge about the person? It doesn't make sense. So the federal government of Nigeria case looks very weak to me. How can you present a witness that have little knowledge about the person he's testifying against? Everything, his memory is shut down. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So which one you know? But you are testifying against somebody. Well, the presiding judge today also warned the federal government that he will strike out their case. Okay, if the federal government of Nigeria continue all these their delays in this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu trial and their unpreparedness, because it seems that they are not prepared. They are not prepared in this matter. The witness they are bringing, is really disgracing the case already. So I'm dropping it here. Please kindly drop your comments, share this video, let it go viral so that Nigerians will understand what happened today in Mazi Nnamdi